Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Are you tired of frame drops, sluggish render times, and a rig that just can't keep up with modern AAA titles or heavy video editing workflows? If you are hunting for the ultimate powerhouse that seamlessly bridges the gap between high-end gaming and professional content creation, you have clicked on the exact right video. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at a highly anticipated absolute beast of a machine, the WIWB Gaming Desktop PC, featuring the brand new Intel Core Ultra 7 265KF processor and the incredibly powerful GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card. Whether you are aiming to conquer 4K or even 8K gaming, diving deep into immersive PC VR, or building your streaming empire, this high-performance tower is designed to do it all. Before we dive into the benchmarks and specs, I want to let you know that at any point in this video, if you want to check out the current pricing, read user reviews, or pick one up for yourself, I have left a direct Amazon link right down in the description below. Clicking that link is the best way to get the most up-to-date price, as these pre-built systems tend to go on sale quite often. Let's start by looking under the hood at the absolute brains of this operation, the processor. This computer tower houses the formidable Intel Core Ultra 7 265KF. If you are familiar with PC hardware, you know that the K series means this processor is unlocked for those who like to tweak and push their systems, and the F indicates it skips the integrated graphics. And let's be honest, we don't need integrated graphics because we have a massive dedicated GPU handling the heavy lifting. This processor boasts a base clock speed of 3.3 GHz, which is already incredibly snappy for daily tasks, but when you're pushing it to the limit, say rendering a massive 4K video project in Premiere Pro or running a heavily modded CPU-intensive game, it can boost all the way up to a blistering 5.2 GHz. It sits on the LGA 1700 socket platform, and it is specifically engineered for those who demand uncompromising multitasking performance. You can comfortably game on your main monitor, run OBS to stream to Twitch or YouTube on a second screen, and have your chat and Discord open without experiencing any annoying lag or system hiccups. But a gaming desktop is really only as good as its graphics card, right? And this is where this WIWB model truly shines and separates itself from the competition. It comes equipped with the highly coveted Nvidia RTX 5070 dedicated graphics card. Now, the listing highlights a massive 12 GB of ultra-fast GDDR5 VRAM. This is bleeding-edge technology. The leap to GDDR5 means significantly higher memory bandwidth, allowing the GPU to process high-resolution textures faster than ever before. With this RTX 5070, 1440p gaming on ultra settings is an absolute breeze, and native 4K gaming becomes your new everyday standard. The ray tracing capabilities are simply out of this world, offering hyper-realistic lighting, reflections, and shadows that will completely immerse you in your favorite virtual worlds. Furthermore, if you are stepping into VR gaming with a Meta Quest or a Valve Index, this dedicated GPU ensures a smooth, high frame rate, stutter-free experience, which is absolutely crucial to avoiding motion sickness in virtual reality. For the content creators watching, this GPU will dramatically accelerate your workflow, utilizing specialized rendering cores to cut your export times in half. Moving on to memory and storage, because we all know that bottlenecking a top-tier CPU and GPU with slow RAM is a massive mistake. Thankfully, this build does not cut any corners. It features 16 GB of lightning-fast DDR5 RAM. Clocking in at speeds of 5600 MHz, DDR5 offers a massive leap in data transfer rates over the older DDR4 generation. This translates directly to faster load times, instantly snappy application launches, and significantly smoother gameplay with fewer 1% low frame drops. And here's the best part for future-proofing your setup. The motherboard supports a maximum memory size of up to 128 GB. So if you ever feel the need to upgrade a few years down the line for heavy 3D rendering in Blender or massive local AI workloads, you have a clear, easy upgrade path ready and waiting. For your storage needs, you get a 1 TB NVMe PCIe 3.0 solid-state drive. Not only does this 1 TB SSD give you plenty of space for your Windows operating system, your heavy creative applications, and a large library of massive games, but the NVMe speeds mean your boot times will be practically instantaneous. Say goodbye to scrolling your phone during long loading screens. With this high-speed SSD, you're always going to be the first one loaded into the multiplayer lobby. Let's take a moment to talk about the physical build, design, and connectivity. This desktop features a classic, stealthy black computer tower design that looks highly professional. It fits perfectly on any desk setup, whether you're putting together a flashy, RGB-filled gaming room or a sleek, minimalist home studio. To keep everything running cool, it utilizes a highly reliable air cooling method. While liquid cooling is popular, a well-engineered air cooler is often much more reliable in the long term, with zero risk of leaks and fewer moving parts to fail. This ensures your Core Ultra 7 and RTX 5070 maintain optimal, safe temperatures even during extended all-night gaming marathons. And yes, it comes out of the box with the Windows operating system pre-installed. It's completely plug-and-play. You literally unbox it, plug it into the wall, and start downloading your games immediately. Connectivity is incredibly robust on this machine. You're equipped with a total of 6 USB ports, which is more than enough for your gaming mouse, mechanical keyboard, high-definition webcam, USB microphone, and any other peripherals you need to complete your battle station. For video output, the graphics card features both HDMI and DisplayPort connections, allowing you to easily hook up a multi-monitor setup. It supports massive maximum display resolutions, meaning it's perfectly paired with an ultra-wide monitor or a super high-resolution 4K or 5K creator display. For networking, you have options. It includes a standard Ethernet port for that highly stable, ultra-low latency wired connection that competitive gamers demand, but it also includes built-in Wi-Fi technology and comes with a Wi-Fi receiver, providing ultimate flexibility just in case your internet router is not located in the same room as your setup. So who is this PC actually built for? The official specifications list its primary uses as gaming, photo editing, and video editing, and I have to say, it hits the nail right on the head. This isn't just a casual toy, it's a serious workstation disguised as a gaming rig. It holds a very respectable best sellers rank in tower computers on Amazon, and currently sits at a solid 4.2 out of 5 stars from verified customer reviews. Buyers are consistently praising the raw performance and the massive value proposition. When you sit down and calculate the cost of trying to buy a Core Ultra 7 and an RTX 5070 graphics card on their own, not to mention sourcing the DDR5 RAM, the NVMe SSD, the motherboard, a reliable power supply, a PC case, and a Windows license, getting all this perfectly assembled, cable managed, and guaranteed to work together flawlessly is a massive time, money, and stress saver. To wrap things up, if you are in the market for a high-performance desktop that refuses to compromise, a system that will effortlessly handle your 4K media, dominate in VR, and give you the raw power horse needed for flawless streaming and professional content creation, this WIWB Gaming Desktop PC is an absolute must consider. It's a premium investment into top-tier performance that will easily last you for years to come. If you're ready to completely upgrade your gaming setup, or if you just want to check out the current pricing and read some of those user reviews for yourself, make sure to click the Amazon link I've provided in the description box below. Shopping through that affiliate link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it allows me to keep buying and reviewing awesome tech just like this. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know down in the comments section below. What is the very first game you would install and play on this beastly RTX 5070 setup? I read every single comment, and I can't wait to see your answers. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more epic tech reviews and PC build guides, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.